Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing my new robot vacuum. This is a Eufy EUFY vacuum. I got it on a Cyber Monday deal. I have been looking for a new robot vacuum, but I did not want to pay the prices for the Shark and the iRoomba and all of those things. So instead, we're gonna unbox this one, and I need to put it to the test. That'll probably be a second video, but first let's get this bad boy out of its box. This box is actually pretty large. This, by the way, is model T2126. And remember, anything that you order on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, basically anything you're ordering right now for the holidays can be returned till I think January 31st of 2023. All right. Got it out of the box. Okay, now I got this set up. So it says, welcome to hands-free cleaning. I'm gonna open up the quick start guide. Here's the manual. I'll put that to the side. We're just gonna go by the quick start guide. So using your robot vac, step number 1, remove the sticker next to the power switch and the foam blocks. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna be installing the little brushes right here. So let's get this out of the package. It's bigger than my last RoboVac. Probably a good, maybe like 1.5 feet long. So shiny looking. Alright, so super pretty. Remove the sticker next to the power switch, which would be this one. Remove sticker before use. Okay. At least they make it pretty obvious. And then we're gonna turn this around. And then let us see. These are supposed to, it looks like, just slot right in this hole here. So does that mean they gave me some extras? Does it only come with 2? Oh, and look, it has this brush technology here at the bottom. Okay, this is what I saw on Amazon that made me want to buy it. It said the hair doesn't really get stuck because it has this like rubber thing. Okay, so hopefully that's in there. Side brush A. Okay, these don't seem to have letters on them, so I'm just assuming you can put whatever brush in there. Okay, so I got the brushes off. Says, if you cannot remove the object surrounding the charging base, check if it can return without, oh, maybe it can return without assistance. Check that out. I thought that was a fancier one. So it comes with 2 extra brushes, and it comes with zip ties to organize the power cord. Air dry the filter after washing. Looks like there's a filter in there. It doesn't, in the quick start guide, tell me anywhere to put it, so I'm assuming it already comes with one in there. It looks like there's one in there. I'm looking from back here. RoboVac series. Let's see. 1 beep, 2 beeps. Tells us like if it's stuck or not. Stuck and can't reverse. Here's the on and off switch right here. Okay. Or refer to the owner's manual to select cleaning modes and cleaning schedules. And that'll be a whole nother video. Always keep the charging base plugged in, otherwise the RoboVac will not automatically return. It was $125, I think, on sale. So what a great little deal here. All right, important tips. Don't leave cords hanging everywhere. Get stuck on rugs. Might go under chairs or not be able to. Can't do liquids. Can't run over scales or go downstairs. I don't have stairs, so that's fabulous. All right, so it looks like I just got to go ahead and charge it now. Before I get the charging set up, I'm just going to show you what it comes with since I just opened the actual manual. It comes with the RoboVac, the charging base, which I already showed you, the remote control with the batteries, the power adapter, a cleaning tool, 4 brushes, an additional filter, so that is an extra filter, the cable ties, and then the owner's manual. So those are extra. So anyways, then it goes into more detail, but did want to show you that the filter is extra. So let me get this guy charged. Okay, so it took me a minute to figure out how to charge this. So I plugged it into the wall, which, look, let me show you guys. It has a cable storage back here, a little cutout for it, so it's not like dragging around everywhere. And then it has these like two little metal things. Well, on the bottom of this, there's these two little metal pads right there. So that is how you attach it. Then it beeps. And obviously it's not charged because I just got it, so I gotta let it charge. And that's it, guys. That is the unboxing. I will be back in another video to share with you my review and to show you how it works. If you guys like this unboxing, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already and enjoy product reviews, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!